So INJ. Guys, I'm actually sickened that I missed this pump on INJ since basically yesterday. It's on my list. It's in the pumpers. And I am sickened because it is one of the most bullish coins out there. But look, no matter. It's really only like, again, kind of looking at just an important RSR flip where you see this price point here at around $4. That was like a very important level to bounce from. Over here as well, this was a level that was lost. There'd be a couple of more that we'd be looking for, like definitely over a $5 mark, right? But we've been obviously kind of like hitting the $4 mark here for a while. And it literally went from $2.40 all the way to $4.30. And I am just, I think if anything, I always say, don't catch any knives. And I think with this coin, I would have caught all of them. 77%. 77%. And that is actually all the way only since 10th of March, which was on Saturday. Friday. And look, it just basically pushed and pushed. Now, don't mind the lines here, because what we were doing here, it was in the Discord, we were having like a little exercise. I'm actually going to get rid of this. It was just to kind of like give ourselves a bit of like, see what market does, what structure are we going to see. There was A, B, and C. And what INJ has done since we were observing it. It was actually a very good exercise for everybody. So again, look guys, at this point, like, we're kind of definitely looking at the invalidation of the head and shoulders. It did come though on to that 440 level, but it's sitting above that price point. Let me put this fib on here from here on, and look what it did right from this moment on. We could yeah, let's do this low. It changes a small bit, not that much, when we go to lower low here, but look at this. Look at the fibs, guys. For the continuation, it's just like, you know what, magic happens again. Not only you get your support and resistance levels, but when you add these bad boys, right? Look how the resistance was happening around this price point, and now that it looks like it wants to build support. All right, and where also it corrected to. So it had a massive pump and, like, gave that support resistance flip around this 140, gave a pump. It came up, actually it pierced, it came to a half a point. Going back now, we know it's a half a point obviously from this high, but it was a level where it acted as resistance at that price point of about 260, pushed up high, came up to 786, tried to keep the support, but then came back and corrected to the golden pocket, and from that point on it gave another push. So it's a trader's dream, to see these things, to use them then obviously as your confluence, even if you didn't know, obviously, because this was the high, then you didn't know where it was going to go. And look how that golden pocket area, that's why we kind of look at all those three. You can kind of like look around, use this as your confluence for, like, it's sticking around here, it's my cue, I'm going to risk it. Market obviously will do what it wants to do, but it gave another push. It went all the way above the fib one, but now we're looking at this high obviously, and what's going on is, once again, back again, we're looking at half a point here. you know, we can keep playing with this, and it's actually interesting to see as well how those fibs are changing, but they're still kind of very, very, very precise to levels. You know what's going on. Like we've seen this basically be a reversal point. So it depends on which low you want to go with. Do you want to count the whole move or not? It's still like, you know, your confluence, the fib that you're kind of looking at, the support and resistance. On top of that, what we're going to have a look here is our RSI. These are MACDs. Like I said, I'm using these. I found those indicators in, like, I think it's a top 20 indicators in TradingView. It's given a buy signal, and it's only given the buy signal in 13th of March. And like I said, like obviously that $4 mark, despite the push that we've already seen, it is on a higher time frame a very important reversal point. You know, it's that support level where we want to watch it. So like I said, I am a little bit upset that I didn't catch, because go into hourly, or even just 4 hourly, and go back to sorry, yesterday would have been here, 13th of March. Yeah, that was yesterday. And look at this again, the fib, and oh, my heart. I cut different moves, but this would have been a fantastic trade. 21% push, you know, trying to catch this level would have been epic. But I caught Ocean and got another thing. Today though, this morning we had a really quick scalps with the Discord. I've done Veracity, I've done Ajax, and I've done Ocean again. I'm out the minute because I'm doing the stream. These were like really quick hot drops, as I call them. Just another little teaching thing, like look at this, guys. W here, like, you know, your higher low, it didn't even go all the way down to this arm, and then rise level 1, drop, rise level 2, and it printed M, beautiful M, right, drop level 1, drop level 2, and gave a side action that just didn't hold. But you know, you could count this as another drop level and another deeper drop, and we're seeing this like a V-shaped reversal with another, you know, rise level, rise level, rise level. So something to watch here is definitely, you know, it could definitely come back down here, pull, push up, give a side action, and there's still time to definitely get into INJ long term. Watch this coin, honestly, put it on your watches, do your homework on it. I'm certainly, you know, I've invested into this because I am super impressed with this. It's part of Cosmos, I think it is. So yeah, it only just pretty much just came out of, like, you know, you see the cup and you see that handle, you see a big massive W if you want as well, and now we're seeing a bit of side action. We're in a range. We're just flipping that important support and resistance. There's a lot of, you know, room here for long term. I would be, again, like, you know, suggesting nothing else but DCA. Again, not financial advice. I hope the stream lets, because it's just kind of glitchy. I keep looking at the camera. I like it's turning orange here as well. We're seeing green candles. RSI is a little bit extended here, but this is a weekly chart, so there is definitely room. We want this to cool off a small bit, maybe give a more consolidation. It's it's a long-term coin for sure. It's a long-term play. I wouldn't be rushing with this, but I am definitely going to be scalping it when I can. So yeah, I like maybe just show me real quick as well other EMAs. But what we're seeing, guys, look, we're nicely above the 50 EMA on the weekly. It could come back down again, like I was saying. To keep an eye on that golden pocket, it might. If you find it in around those levels, in around that 50 EMA, which is about $3, market is bullish, you know, DCAing from here, you're gonna get yourself a nice bag for it. Even playing the range for now until it breaks above $4 and then pushes to $5. It is going to be the possibilities of even coming back down. Now it did reclaim the candle on the left. I don't know, it's just one of very, very bullish projects. It would be surprising for me to see it, you know, go below the $2 mark again, unless something terrible happens again. Just something to bear in mind. This coin has went all the way up from December, all the way from about $1.20 to $4.60. Epic move. Consolidation. Give some side action. Stay above 50 MA. Pico bueno. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap up here on INJ. If you have any questions, shoot. Join my Discord as well, guys. Look at the 8 and 21, what we're looking at. So if this gives side action, that 21 is going to obviously come up higher. It's given a nice bullish cross here as well. I would like this to just stay in around those prices for a while. Give a chance to buy, not by any means bad levels to buy. There's a lot of potential here for this to grow. Very strong project. Even buying it at $4 all the way back to the all-time high. And I really don't say these things, but I feel like this coin has absolutely zero issue coming back up to all-time high. That's a nice 5x. Not financial advice. Anyway, moving on. INJ, that's it for me. Yeah, throw questions, join Discord, and yeah, don't FOMO, guys.